Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm covered in fluff. So today is finally the day. You guys have been asking for this for so long and I'm finally going to be filming it for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day. I do want to say, please do not watch this video if you haven't seen my video talking about the condition I have and why I'm having surgery. I'm going to link it down below if you haven't watched it. I'm going to say it one more time. Please watch it, otherwise none of this will make sense and it will just be a little bit weird. So just watch that one first and then come back to this one. Also, I wanted to say, because I don't think I have on YouTube yet, that I'm really thankful for how nice you guys were in the comments of that video. I don't know, I was so nervous to upload it, but you guys are so sweet. I'm reading through all the comments and I'm going to try and reply to all of them. But like a little update from that video, I had an appointment last week and my surgery is going to be in about 8 weeks time, maybe a little bit sooner. So I finally have a date for surgery. I'm really excited. I just got out of the shower. I just threw a hoodie on because I don't actually have to go anywhere until about 1:30, 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna be chilling, doing some work at home for a little bit. I'm gonna make some breakfast because I haven't eaten yet this morning and I'm actually really hungry. Pretty much have the same thing every single day. I always have a shake every single morning. One I'm currently using is the Serious Mass one. I'm going to link it down below. I just got it off of Amazon. This one is 1,200 calories by itself if you just have it like with water. I have mine with full fat milk and it takes it up to 1,600 calories, which is insane. I did have to work my way up to have this. So I did like half a cup, then I did a full cup, and now I have 2 every day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. This makes you gain a lot of weight very, very quickly. Very obvious, if you don't want to gain weight, do not have this. If you do want to gain weight, I would just say go very careful with it because it kind of hits you a lot quicker than you'd expect it to. So this is what I'm currently using. I've been using this for about a month now. This is what I was taking before moving on to this one. This, I kind of lived off of this for about a month, this and porridge. This isn't actually a protein shake, this one is a meal replacement. So this is for people who struggle to eat or they've had an operation and they can't like swallow whole food. I was told to take this by my doctor. I don't know where you can get it. I'm pretty sure you can probably find it online or something. It doesn't have as many calories as this, but it is a meal replacement, so it is that little bit more better for you nutrition wise. I think this has still got a lot of calories in. I think it's about 300 still, so if you did want to take these in between meals you could and would still help you like put on weight. I have decided I'm gonna make lunch now. It's 12:30. I mean, it's a tiny bit early, but I'm just gonna make it now because even though my meeting's not until around 12, by the time I eat and leave the house and stuff, I think I'll just have enough time to eat now. I'm just gonna make it now. I have been obsessed with aubergine recently, so I'm gonna make some not grilled, I don't know if it's grilled, oven baked. What is oven baked? Oven baked, I guess. No, roasted? Listen, I don't know the technical terms of food, but I'm gonna put aubergine in the oven and hope for the best. If I see you, I'ma watch you, hit you in your debut. Came in with a big drum, wet you like a stew. Find a nigga just like a let you hold my floor, yeah, I just simple ingredients. Aubergines, going to be baking these, which obviously has quite a few calories, and also the only kind of red meat I can eat is minced beef because it's obviously grounded up. It's really, really soft. Scooped out the aubergine, I've put in some salt and pepper and some olive oil. I'm going to bake that and then bake this. Add them all together. She know that I'm keeping that good serve it to my uncle, why we looking fluffy? Yeah, my uncle good custody. I'm paint on the face like I'm doodle wall jumping. That pussy like I school. Okay, so I've just finished my lunch and I'm getting ready to leave. I don't know if I want to wear this jacket or if I want to go for all black. It's kind of cold today, so I have to wear a jacket. Ready to leave now. I have one meeting today. I think I'm going to take some pistachios with me because I love pistachios. We are in Mayfair. We're having something to eat. I'm so hungry. I'm hungry as well. Anything just to get ready. I ate so much today. I had a protein shake, I had cereal, I had like so early. Okay, so we have come to XR. I'm gonna get the chicken, and then you're gonna get truffle pasta. I'm gonna get pasta, yeah. Cute. They've also given us some champagne. How cute! How cute! Oh, I'm with Charmaine as well. She's all blonde and cute now. I'm so jealous of her hair. Oh my god, you look so tan when you put your arm like that then. Bruh. Same shade. The scrambled egg. Is it scrambled egg? Yeah. Scrambled eggs with truffle. And then this is salmon, and it looks like there's something else underneath it. It's like focaccia or something. It rained like a lot. I have just got home. I'm kind of shiny, but please excuse. I've just thrown this hoodie back on because I got caught in the rain. It's like the weirdest weather ever. Oh, Puppy's unhappy. Oh, my dog's really annoyed at me because he's a little bit overweight and we're not allowed to feed him too many treats, and he just doesn't understand why he's not getting so many treats now. And I feel really bad, but I know I can't because health is important, you know. Just got home, I've got comfy. I'm actually not too hungry. I didn't eat much of the chicken because I can't really eat meat like that, especially if there's nothing like saucy with it to like help it go down. But it was so good. Like, honestly, it was so good. The restaurant is called XR and it's in Mayfair. If any of you guys are wondering, I really recommend it. It was really nice. It was my first time trying it. The truffled eggs were a dream. Seriously, that was so good. That was about an hour ago, so I think I'm gonna just wait it out and see if I get any more hungry. I always have a shake in the evening just before I go to bed. Just wanted to let you guys know. Also, the ice cream was really good. I'm obsessed with ice cream because foods that are cold and obviously really like mushy just go down so easy for me, and it was a dream, a pleasure to have that ice cream. It was really good. I'm just chatting so much. Okay, it's around 8:30-ish now. It's still really light outside. I don't think the sun sets for another like 20 minutes, half an hour. All I've been doing is packing up the rest of my room. The only thing I've had is water and a few more of those pistachios just because they were like in my bag. I'm gonna end this video here. Also, I want to upload it tomorrow, so I kind of need to start editing it now. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.